Hey everyone, it's your boy, Rinks88, here to break down something new, Pi Network. Imagine mining cryptocurrency on your phone without draining your battery. That's Pi's big idea. It's about making crypto accessible, using a system that's easy on your phone and the planet. Now Pi is still in its early stages, but it's gaining traction fast. Millions have already jumped on board. Why? Because it's simple, it's free to join, and it has the potential to be big. Think of it like early access to something that could be huge. But remember, with any new tech, especially in the crypto world, there are no guarantees. Do your research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That said, Pi's approach is intriguing, to say the least. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Pi? Let's get started. Joining Pi is a breeze. First, download the Pi Network app from your App Store, either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You'll need an invitation code, and I got you covered. Use Rinks88 to join my mining team. Next up, choose your sign-up method. Facebook, phone number, or Apple ID. Each has its own verification process, but they're all pretty straightforward. Fill in your details, create a strong password, and boom, you're in. Remember to verify your account to secure your Pi. It's usually a quick email or phone number confirmation. Once that's done, congrats! You're officially part of the Pi Network. Now let's get to the good stuff, mining some Pi. Mining Pi isn't about complex algorithms or expensive hardware. It's way simpler. Once every 24 hours, just open the app and tap the lightning bolt button to start mining. That's it. Think of it as clocking in for your daily Pi earnings. But here's the cool part. You don't need to keep the app open. Just tap and forget about it. Pi mining won't drain your battery or slow down your phone. It's designed to be lightweight and run in the background. Now let's crank up your mining rate. Section 4. Maximizing your Pi mining. Want to boost your Pi earnings? It's all about building your security circle. This means inviting trusted people you know to join the network. The bigger your circle, the faster you mine. Plus, it makes the entire Pi network more secure. It's a win-win. Another tip is to mine consistently. Remember that daily check-in? Don't miss it. The more consistent you are, the more Pi you earn. Think of it like building a good habit. Now let's talk about your security circle and why it's so important. Section 5. Building your Pi security circle. Your security circle is key to both your earnings and the security of the Pi network. It's all about trust and verification. When you add someone to your circle, you're vouching for them, saying they're a real person, not a bot. This helps Pi prevent fake accounts and ensures the network's integrity. The more trusted people in your circle, the more secure the entire network becomes. Plus, a larger circle means a faster mining rate for you. So, invite your friends, family, and fellow tech enthusiasts. Remember, the Pi network is built on community. The more we support each other, the stronger we become. Section 6. Staying ahead of the curve. The Pi network is constantly evolving. New features, updates, and opportunities are always on the horizon. To make the most of your Pi experience, stay informed. Follow the official Pi network channels on social media, join community forums, and read their blog posts. This will keep you in the loop about the latest developments, announcements, and tips to maximize your Pi journey. Remember, Pi is more than just an app. It's a community-driven project. Engage, contribute, and be a part of something potentially groundbreaking. Until next time, this is MKBHD signing out.